General knowledge on India at a glance for competitive exams. India comes under which part of Asia continent? Answer: South Asia. What is Indian capital? Answer: New Delhi. The Indian peninsula is separated from mainland Asia by. Answer: The Himalayas. India is surrounded by how many seas? Answer: The Bay of Bengal in the east, the Arabian Sea in the west, the Indian Ocean to the south. What is the area of Indian Republic? Answer: 3.3 million square kilometers. What are the border countries of India? Answer: Afghanistan and Pakistan to the northwest, China, Bhutan and Nepal to the north, Myanmar to the east, and Bangladesh to the east of Bengal. India is separated from Sri Lanka by. Answer: A narrow channel of sea formed by Pak Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. What is the total coastline of India? Answer: 7,516.6 kilometers, encompassing the mainland, Lakshadweep Islands, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. What are the four seasons in India? Answer: Winter, December to February; summer season, March to June; southwest monsoon season, June to September; post monsoon season, October to November. What is the official language of India? Answer: Hindi. Which is the largest state in India? Answer: Rajasthan. Which is the largest city in India? Answer: Mumbai. What is India's telephone country code? Answer: +91. What is national song of India? Answer: Vande Matram, Banking Chandra Chatterjee, taken from novel Anandamath, published in 1882. What is the national anthem of India? Answer: Janagana Mana, written by Rabindranath Tagore in 1911. What is the national game of India? Answer: Hockey. What is the type of legislature of India? Answer: Bicameral legislature, Lok Sabha, House of the People; Rajya Sabha, Council of States. What is the largest state in population? India. Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Indian state with highest density of population. Answer: West Bengal. What is largest desert in India? Answer: Thar Desert, Rajasthan. State with the lowest density of population in India. Answer: Sikkim. State with the minimum area in India. Answer: Goa. India's first state to achieve nearly 100% rural electrification. Answer: Haryana. Population growth rate in India. Answer: 1.93% during 1991 to 2001 census. Major bank in India. Answer: Reserve Bank of India. Which state has highest per capita income in India? Answer: Punjab. India's membership of United Nations Organization UNO. Answer: 1945. Coldest place in India. Answer: Dras sector, Jammu and Kashmir. First Indian lady in the space. Answer: Kalpana Chawla. First Indian man in the space. Answer: Rakesh Sharma. Formation of INC, Indian National Congress. Answer: 1885 AD. Hindi became national language. Answer: 1953. Wettest place in India. Answer: Masirnam, Meghalaya. Largest district in India. Answer: Kutch, Gujarat, 45,652 square kilometer. Rural population in India. Answer. About 72%. What are the total recognized languages in India? Answer. There are 22 different languages that have been recognized by the Constitution of India. National calendar in India. Saka. Introduced on. Answer. March 22nd, 1957. Highest point in India. Answer. Mount Godwin Austen, 28,251 feet. Currency in India. Answer. Indian rupee. Indian Standard Time. Answer. GMT plus 5.30 hours. Life expectancy rate in India. Answer. Male 65.8 years. Female 68.1 years. What are the ethnic groups in India? Answer. Australoid, Mongoloid, Europoid, Caucasian and Negroid. National bird in India. Answer. Indian peacock. National flower of India. Answer. Lotus. National tree in India. Answer. Banyan tree. National river of India. Answer. The Ganga. India's national aquatic animal. Answer. River dolphin. India's national heritage animal. Answer. Elephant. India's national animal. Answer. Tiger. India's national fruit. Answer. Mango. India's national vegetable. Answer. Pumpkin. India's government type. Answer. Sovereign Socialist Democratic Republic with a parliamentary system of government. India's administrative divisions. Answer. 28 states and 8 union territories. India's independence. Answer. 15th August 1947 from the British colonial rule. The Constitution of India was adopted on options given: A. 1947, B. 1948, C. 1949, D. 1950. Answer C. 1949. What is the name of our national emblem? Answer. The lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath is the national emblem of India. What does three colors of the flag mean? Answer. Saffron color, courage and sacrifice. White color, honesty, peace and purity. Green, faith and chivalry. What is the national reptile of India? Answer. King cobra. This snake is associated with Lord Shiva's ornament, Kundalini energy and speech. What does our national emblem symbolizes? Answer. The national emblem has four lines, one hidden from view, and symbolizes power, courage, and confidence. Who designed the national flag of India? Answer. Pingal Venkaya.